Okay guys, so today I'm gonna just be recording a video of how my keyboard sounds. I probably was supposed to do this when I got my keyboard and mouse November 8th, 2022, but I either got lazy or I just forgot to. But here we go. This is a space bar. It might sound horrible or something, but then this key, then the alt key, control key, shift key, caps lock, tab, I forgot what this called. I forgot what it's called. Escape key. Now the F keys 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then the little extra keys over here and like here. Arrow keys. Now these little number keys and stuff. Hold on. Number lock, this, that, this. Alright, now for like the main keyboard and stuff. Hold on, I gotta make sure I'm doing this correct. Like if I was typing fast or something, it'd probably sound like this or so. But I don't know, I think I did the whole thing. Now you know what? I'm just do like the letter keys. Hold on, I did make sure this is like. There you go. Alright, there's the letters and stuff, and just like I said earlier, my spacebar keys probably sound trash or something. I don't know why, but it just kind of sounds different throughout it. Like over here, sounds like that. The middle, sound like that. Over here, just I don't know what's happening there. Maybe because it's like an off-brand keyboard or something, but I really don't know. Okay, but like, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.